So you live in Buffalo Grove and it's time to sell. Hey, what village requirements do you have to meet in order to sell that house? Let's talk about it. Come on in and have a seat. Ben Weaver here, an Illinois attorney and founder of 23 Legal. I provide personal, practical, and professional legal service by guiding clients through the process of buying and selling a home throughout Chicago and its suburbs. With me as always is Adam, just needs to get to the gym car.
You know, I had a New Year's resolution and I have done 0 of it so far.
All right.
I got to get on that.
Well, only 48 or so weeks left, don't worry about it. And today we're going to go through the complex, difficult, and almost impossible task of selling a house in Buffalo Grove. Actually, it's not that difficult, but we'll get into it in a minute. As always, let's take a quick look at the background of Buffalo Grove. The name of the village originates from the Buffalo Creek, named while the Native American Potawatomi tribe inhabited the land. Population for Buffalo Grove currently sits at just over 43,000 residents, and famed actor Vince Vaughn lived in Buffalo Grove during his childhood. All right, back to business. We have discussed a per 1,000 tax in some prior videos, and Buffalo Grove has a 3 per $1,000 tax. That's the duty of the seller to cover. This means that for every $1,000 the house costs, the seller is required to pay a $3 tax to the village. So, if your house costs $100,000, the seller will be paying a mandatory $300 tax to the village. If the house costs $300,000, the seller will owe the village $900. In most cases, these taxes are the duty of the seller, and Buffalo Grove is no different. Let's talk about that notorious village stamp. One day before picking it up, we at 23 Legal will head to the website and fill out an online form necessary to complete the process. It's a form that we've done a good number of times, so our familiarity with the process will help speed everything up and allow you to know it's being done correctly and professionally. When we're ready to pick up the stamp, we need to bring the MyDeck, which is a complicated state tax form. 23 Legal fills it out for you, and you really don't want to do it on your own. And we'll also bring a copy of the deed to the village hall. Once there, we can pick up the stamp and get the closing finalized. And what's the best part about finalizing the closing? You get paid. Cha-ching! So that's it. Like we said, Buffalo Grove has one of the more streamlined processes in the Chicagoland area. However, it's still important to know the small details that are required of the seller before closing, so we're not scrambling to meet city requirements at the final hour. If you know someone who's selling a house in Buffalo Grove, go ahead and show them this video so they can be aware of the ending process of their potential closing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and be sure to subscribe to 23 Legal for more real estate law content. I'm Ben Weaver, open to taking new contracts and clients, and I'll see you in the next video.